The state launch of the VV Jiramji took place at the Nazrul Kalakshetra auditorium in Agartala on Thursday, organized by the West Tripura District Administration. Minister Tinku Roy officially inaugurated the mission alongside West Tripura District Magistrate Dr. Vishal Kumar, MDC Gita Debbarma and other dignataries.
Tinku Roy महोदय के
The newly implemented VB Jiramji Act brings critical enhancement to the rural socio-economic landscape, increased work guarantee previously 100 days under the repealed MGN Rega to 125 days per financial year for every eligible rural household. Daily wages for rural workers under the mission have been raised from 256 to a mandatory minimum of 300 per day. Modern rural infrastructure and resource management. Speaking at the function, Minister Tinku Roy extended his gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for launching the mission, noting that it directly caters to modern public expectations such as durable town-like infrastructure in the rural blocks.
ভার্চুয়ালি যিনি উদ্বোধন করবেন মাননীয় কেন্দ্রীয় গ্রামীণ উন্নয়ন মন্ত্রী শিবরাজ সিং চৌহানজি তিনি এটার উদ্বোধন করবেন। সর্বপ্রথমে ত্রিপুরা মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী অধ্যাপক ডক্টর মানিক সাহা মহোদয়ের পক্ষ থেকে ব্যক্তিগতভাবে আমি ভারতের প্রধানমন্ত্রী নরেন্দ্র মোদীজিকে আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন ও কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন করছি।
Other key administrative figures present at the launch included Bishwadit Sil, the acting Sabhatipati of the West Tripura Jilla Parishad, and Dr. Vishal Kumar, the District Magistrate of West Tripura, and MDC Gita Debbarma. Reporter Narayan from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.
My father used to worry about my education and my future, but I found the right path at Techno College of Engineering. Here, we explored the cutting edge of knowledge of physics, chemistry, computer science engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics communication engineering, 3D design and artificial intelligence. We are mentored by world-class faculty members and empowered through the Teka Tools initiative, which connects us directly with industry. Techno College of Engineering,